The US Armed Forces are considered the world's most powerful military. It is the largest and strongest by far. It can project power everywhere on the globe. Within 7 to 10 days, the United States can put 3 divisions anywhere on the planet by air transport. The US Navy is only naval force that has major naval assets in all of the world's oceans and many of its important seas. As of 2022, the US Space Force is the world's first and the only independent space force. In today's video, we'll show you why America is called superpower. Let's watch the military power of this superpower. Before you watch further, don't forget to subscribe our channel. At nearly 9.8 million square kilometers, the United States is the 4th largest country in the world in the area after Russia, Canada, and China. The United States shares significant land borders with Canada to the north and Mexico to the south, as well as limited maritime borders with the Bahamas, Cuba, and Russia. With a population of more than 331 million people, it is the 3rd most populous country in the world. It is the world's largest economy by nominal GDP and net wealth. The United States has the world's largest military budget. Currently, the military budget is more than $770 billion, more than 1/3 of the world's total military expenditure. Interesting fact is that about 40% of this budget is overspent and people don't know where it's going. The US Armed Forces has a total of 1.832,000 military personnel. Of these, 1.390,000 are active personnel. It is the 3rd largest force in the world. Another 442,000 are reserve personnel. US soldiers are highly trained, well-equipped, and well-disciplined. For ground forces, the US Army has about 6,612 combat tanks. It is the world's 2nd largest tank fleet. But considering modernization, it is the most powerful tank fleet. Because all these tanks are highly advanced M1 Abrams. Besides main battle tanks, US Armed Forces have more than 45,000 armored fighting vehicles, 1,500 self-propelled artillery, 1,339 towed artillery, and more than 1,300 rocket projectors. The US air power is by far the best in the world with its huge inventory. The USA has the largest air fleet with a total of 13,243 aircrafts. Of these, about 2,000 are fighters and 783 are bombers and dedicated attack aircrafts. F-35s are most advanced aircraft in the US Armed Forces. But the US Air Force's F-22 Raptor is considered the world's best fighter aircraft so far. Besides these 5th-generation stealth aircraft, the US Armed Forces has F-15 Eagles, F-16 Fighting Falcons, and FA-18 Hornets and Super Hornets. The US is one of the 2 countries who has true strategic bombers. USAF's B-2 Spirits are the only stealth bomber in the world. These are the world's most expensive aircrafts. Each aircraft costs more than $2 billion. Other 2 strategic bombers are Rockwell B-1 Lancer and Boeing B-52 Stratofortress. The US has the largest and most powerful navy in the world. With the estimated tonnage of its active battle fleet alone exceeding the next 30 navies combined. Most countries' entire naval power wouldn't match the power projection capability of a single US Navy carrier strike group. As of 2022, the US Navy possesses 11 nuclear-powered supercarriers, 9 helicopter carriers, 22 cruisers, 71 destroyers, 11 corvettes, 24 landing ships, 16 ballistic missile submarines, 4 guided missile submarines, and 50 attack missile submarines. Several US cruisers, destroyers, and submarines have nuclear strike capability. Aside from these conventional weapons, the US possesses ICBMs and short to medium range ballistic missiles capable of carrying a large thermonuclear warhead. The nation possesses approximately 5,550 nuclear warheads. Dear viewers, do you think superpower is the perfect title for United States of America? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and share this with your friends. See you again in another video, and until then, take care and spread the goodness.